Hello guys, I'm still in St. Petersburg and still making videos for you. Last video was 1 week ago. We had the first live stream with Dima, and it was really nice experience, you know. Even for me it was kind of hard. If you didn't watch it, you can just check it. We went to the supermarket and we walked there for 3 hours. I was kind of tired because it was kind of late already, like 10 p.m. When we finished, Dima had enough energy, I didn't. Thank you for your support after the last stream. Thank you everyone who came, thank you everyone who watched it. Even if I had some troubles with my stream, because after I downloaded it, we walked in the mall and there are some music, and because of this I know that in some countries my video was blocked, like in Russia, so my mom couldn't watch it. Now she can. I just cancelled some parts of the video, and now there is just some minutes of the video, because I just cut the video a bit that it could be showed in other countries, that it was not blocked without restrictions from YouTube. I can say that I feel myself more relaxed than when I came here. They have good weather. I know that in Vladivostok, that's good that I left Vladivostok, because in Vladivostok we had so much rains, and you know, half of the city was in the water. Some people even couldn't walk around their houses because water was everywhere. Awful rains, and for some people it became a big trouble. My family place where I live, it was fine, everything was okay, but I know that in the villages especially it's a big trouble. My grandfather, he's also fine, but I know that there is just the river and the water. So to my grandfather I always say hello from you. I tell from which country person say him hello, he always answer like they thank you. I know that some of you watched even the whole video, so you told me you would like that I also made it, but I will do it, I think, already when I will be somewhere else. And now I will just be more concentrated on making videos of the city, and also I prepared some things about the Russian language that I will tell you a bit later. So who wanna learn Russian, stay with me. And also don't forget that you can book it. I created account on Boosty, so you can book classes there, and it's easier to pay from any country if you wanna book classes with me. You just pay with your card and send me money. But of course, if you want to book classes, it's better to contact me via Telegram, mail or Instagram. But please guys, don't write me strange messages to my Telegram. This is only for work. And there you can book the class with me, class of Russian. Okay, and I also prepare some materials for those who want to start learning Russian. Now these days I just planned a lot. I planned a lot of things about my life, like where to live and everything. I was looking for apartments in Sochi. It's so hard, it's still so hard. I even had conflicts with people who rent their apartments yesterday, so it was kind of complicated. They were kind of strange people, and I decided just don't care now these days about it, and maybe look for apartment in Sochi just a bit later, maybe 1 week later or even 2, we will see. Also my parents will come soon here, first time in St. Petersburg, and I also prepare some plans where we go, because you know, when I just came here first time, it was 2 years ago, I said no, I will never come back to St. Petersburg, and you know that it's already 5 months here. 5 months of my life I spent in St. Petersburg, so it's kind of much. I think I can show the city because I lived already in 4 different areas of St. Petersburg, and I walked around all of them and I know them. But now I just think what's better to show, like what museums, what churches, cafes, and because I will not see my family again maybe for half a year, and I want to spend time with them. Now I just show you the park near the house where I live. Not near, it's actually 4 kilometers away from me. That's not much. I love to walk a lot. And this is like the place where children play, and it looks, you know, the same like in my childhood. When I was a child, we had absolutely the same things, and it looks like kind of old style, I think. So in Vladivostok, that's totally the same, totally the same. I'm surprised how many people here are jogging, running, riding bicycles in this park, walking with dogs. Also a lot of dogs here. My friends also have a dog now, a puppy, so I visit them and also care about the dog, and that's really nice days. Also they have 6 rats. I cannot say that I'm super surprised, but this park is really nice. I remember I was in Germany and I saw something like this, these small lakes with ducks. That was the first day of my trips in Europe, I remember. And it's cool that they have it like in the city, so everywhere, like just houses, and you can just walk a bit and you will be already in this park. The weather now, you see, that's just the beginning of the autumn. Today is plus 17 Celsius. I would say it's kind of cold today, because usually we have, you know, in autumn we still have kind of summer, especially in Vladivostok. Now it's already so windy. I feel already it become colder and colder every day, but I'm happy when my family will come, the weather will be better. And now let's go again to look what else they have in this park, and let's just walk a bit with you. I'll take you for a walk. Guys, tell me, how do you feel? You feel sad when autumn starts or no? I don't, because I go to Sochi, but I just still have the feeling when autumn starts, like the September time when we have to go to the school. And actually for me it was kind of good moments, because, you know, like when you buy pencils, new books for school, new notebooks, and new clothes for school also. And for me, autumn, that's not the sad time, you know, that's like the time for start something new. And I feel really happy, especially in the beginning of September, because I still remember this feeling, like when you see your classmates who you didn't see for a long time, your teachers, you feel like, okay, this year will be different. And for me, year starts in September, not in January, you know. In my mind, September, like Monday, like beginning of something for me. How you feel? Do you love autumn or no? So let's take headphones, black and red, and let's go.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Also, you know, my friends are teachers. For them, that's really the start of something new. You know that Rita and Tanya, they are both teachers. Rita teach Russian language and literature. Tanya teach geography. I'm happy actually that I don't work in the school. I wanted to make a video like why I don't work in the Russian school, and because some of you asked me, like, for me private teaching is much better for my nervous system. There are a lot of reasons why I don't do this. I can make a video if you want, so write in comments.
On top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
I love this place. It's so calm here. So good, so nice. Just look. Now this forest become orange soon. What I love in Sochi, that Sochi is always green, because there the whole year they have grass, trees. Here, unfortunately, during the winter we already will not see it. Look.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
Thank you that you stayed with me. I think that some of the videos will be maybe from St Petersburg also. I will think what to show you. When sun is hiding, it becomes colder. My hands already kind of blue, even if it is still summer, but no, that's not summer, that's autumn already. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you still didn't. I will be happy. Oh.